Okay, class, so today in writing, we went ahead and we went over coming up with a story across our fingers, telling it to somebody, and then what I wanted you to work on today was actually the illustrations. So the next time we meet, I'd like to see the illustrations done for you guys, and I would like maybe at least 3 pages, if not 4. But let me go into more detail about that. So if you have 4 pages, remember I'm going to show you my story here. My pages are out of order from our lesson today. So we had this picture here, and it shows, I told you guys a story about my kids running down the steps, and they're gonna start wrestling with Uncle Mike, and they're all happy and they're all having a good time. And then here they are wrestling with Uncle Mike, and you see that Grace decides to bite Uncle Mike's butt, right? And because she bit Uncle Mike's butt, Mrs. Horning's upstairs, and she's sitting at the dining room table with her sister. And we start to see that George following her up the steps. They're running. There's the door there. And the next thing that I showed in my book was me in the bathroom with Grace. Remember, my picture's not quite done. I do a lot of extra work for you guys. I'm not even sure I'll get it done. So there's one step for you. Then your next step. So then, now remember, this can be in your journal. That's totally fine, or it can be on the paper I provided, or any paper you want. Writing is totally up to you. You're becoming an author and an illustrator on your own. So once you have that, so I did mine in steps, so I have my pictures for you guys, and then I want you to start your writing. Eventually, you'll see these on the same page. So my family was celebrating the 4th of July. It was so hot the kids played in the basement instead of outside. Uncle was downstairs playing with them. You'll notice, parents, if you're watching this, yes, I know their airs is on purpose. So, and then you're going to go through your story. I would like at least 2 sentences per page. You can do 10 sentences per page if you want, but I need at least 2 good, strong sentences per page. And you'll see that I went through and I did that as well for my story. So that's what I'm looking for. Hopefully you can work on this today some, and hopefully a little bit tomorrow some, and then remember you have a long weekend. I'm looking for definitely those drawings done, and then I need you to at least start on your words. Hopefully that helps give you guys a little bit more information on what we need, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning.